So we have discussed shortcut for even and odd function. Now we are discussing some functions that you have to remember directly. So in this one, first is what? Y equal to sin x, y equal to tan x, y equal to cot x, and y equal to cosecant x. This all function is what? Odd function. This all function is what? Odd function that we have to remember. Second, y equal to secant x and y equal to cos x. These two function is what? Even function. Now third is y equal to x power even number. X power even number. Then this function is always even function. Y equal to x square, y equal to x power 4 is even function. Now fourth, y equal to x power odd number. Then this function is odd function. Okay, so this you have to remember. Now by using this one, some problems we can solve by using shortcuts. For examples, if I have y equal to sin x plus modulus of x, so you can see this is odd function and this is even. Odd plus even is what? Neither even nor odd. So this is neither even nor odd. So by using shortcut we can solve this problem. Next example, if I have y equal to x power 5 plus x cube plus x, so you can see this is odd, and this is odd. So odd plus odd is what? Odd function. So this is odd function. Some more example we will discuss. Next we are discussing that identify the function even, odd, both, or neither even nor odd we have to find out. So these are the function given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one by one we have to find out. So first we are discussing this one. So first solution of first problem. So first problem is that fx equal to this one is given. So fx equal to given is ln in bracket x plus root over 1 plus x square. Then we are finding f of minus x. F of minus x what will come? Ln of minus x plus root over 1 plus minus x square is what? X square only. This will come. Now what you will do? Here we will do what? Rationalization we will do. So here what we will do? Ln minus x plus root over 1 plus x square as it is. You have to multiply here minus x minus root over 1 plus x square divided by minus x minus root over 1 plus x square. We are multiplying and dividing. So this will come. So here what we can write? Ln of in bracket this is what? Minus x plus root over 1 plus x square into, you can take minus common from numerator and denominator. So this one we can write what? X plus root over 1 plus x square divided by x plus root over 1 plus x square. So this will come what? Ln of in bracket. So if you multiply these two, so what will come here? Minus of x square plus 1 plus x square. This will come, and denominator is what? X plus root over 1 plus x square. So here minus x square plus x square getting cancelled. So ln of 1 divided by x plus root over 1 plus x square will come. So this one we can write is what? Minus of ln in bracket x plus root over 1 plus x square. This one we can write. Here we are using property ln of 1 by a, we can write what? Minus of ln a. So this property we are using. So you can see ln of x plus root over 1 plus x square, what we can write? Fx. So this will come what? Minus of fx. So what will come? F of minus x equal to what? Minus of fx. So we can say that fx is even function. So fx is odd function. Odd function. So we got this function is odd function. Next example is this one. So here we are discussing second one. Second is what? Fx equal to what? X into 2 power x plus 1 divided by 2 power x minus 1. So what we have? Fx equal to what? X into 2 power x plus 1 divided by 2 power x minus 1. This will have. So what is f of minus x? F of minus x. So here you would put instead of x minus x. So what is going to be minus x in bracket 2 power minus x plus 1 divided by 2 power minus x minus 1. This will come. So 2 power minus x we can add 1 by 2 power x. So this will come what? Minus x. This one we can add 1 by 2 power x plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 power x minus 1. So this one we can add what? F of minus x equal to, I'm writing here, f of minus x equal to minus x. So this will come out 1 plus 2 power x divided by 1 minus 2 power x, and 2 power x getting cancelled. So this will come. Now here minus, if we take inside, what will come here? F of minus x equal to what? X into 1 plus 2 power x as it is, and denominator if you take minus common, so 2 power x minus 1. So you can see this one and this one both are same. So this one we can write what? F of x. So f of minus x equal to what? F of x. So we can say this is even. So we got this is even. Next is what? Third one. So third one we can simplify very easily. Okay, before third we are doing fourth. What is fourth? Fx equal to 3. So it is a line parallel to x-axis. Okay, so this is a line parallel to x-axis. So y equal to 3. So this is line, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So you can see this is symmetric about what? Y-axis. So this is even function. So any constant function y equal to constant is always even function except c equal to 0. If c is 0, that is even as well as odd. Next we are discussing third one. So you can see x cube is what? Odd function. This is also odd and this is even. So we have discussed that odd minus odd is what? Odd function, but odd plus even is what? Neither even nor odd. So this function is what? Neither even nor odd. This will come. Okay, if you simplify also, then also it will come neither even nor odd. If you want, you can check also. F of minus x equal to what will come? This is what? Minus 2 times x cube plus x plus 1. So this will come. So this is neither even nor odd. Next is what? This one. So fx equal to what? X square minus modulus x. So we can say this is even function and this is what? Even. So even minus even is what? Even only. So this is even function. Next example is identify whether the given function is even, odd, or neither even nor odd, where fx equal to what? X modulus x, where x is less than equal to minus 1, greatest integer of 1 plus x plus greatest integer of 1 minus x, when x is what? Minus 1 to 1, and minus of x into modulus x when x is less than, greater than or equal to 1, where this one denotes modulus and this one denotes greatest integer function. So here we have to find out whether this function is even function or odd function or neither even nor odd. That we have to find out. So here we can't use like f of minus x directly. So here we have to remember this one. Fx plus f of minus x equal to 0, then fx is odd, and fx minus f of minus x equal to 0, then fx is even. This we have to remember. So fx we know, we have to find a f of minus x. So instead of x, what you are putting? Minus x. So what will come here? Here will come out minus x modulus of minus x. Minus x is less than equal to minus 1. Here will come greatest integer of 1 minus x plus greatest integer of 1 plus x. And here what will come? Minus 1 is less than minus x is less than 1. Next what will come here? Minus of minus plus x will come x minus x. And here minus x is greater than equal to 1 will come. So here f of minus x, what will come here? This one we can have what? X minus of x, modulus of minus x is what? Modulus x. And this one what will come? Here if I multiply minus, so here will come x is greater than or equal to 1. Now here what will come? This one is what? Greatest integer of 1 minus x plus greatest integer of 1 plus x. And this one will come same only if you multiply here minus, so what will come here? Minus 1 is less than x is less than 1 will come. And here what will come? X modulus of minus is what? Modulus x. And here what will come? X is what? Sorry, here also you have to put 1 minute, just x is there, so here what will come? Minus x. So here what will come? If you multiply minus, so what will come? X is less than equal to minus 1 will come. This will come. Now you have to check what this is possible or this is possible. So one by one we have to check. See, fx is this one. So in this one middle term we are taking this one. Okay, and here f of minus f, what is the middle term? This one. So you can check here, if I subtract these two, so it will become 0. So what we will check here, fx minus f of minus x we are checking. So what will come here? First thing, this one, x is less than equal to minus 1, then this is the function. And here is where x is less than equal to minus 1 we have to check. So x is less than equal to minus 1, this one is there. So this is the function. So if I check this one minus this one is what? 0. So what will come here? 0 when x is less than equal to minus 1. Next we have to check what? In this interval, minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 is less than x is less than 1. So minus 1 is less than x is less than 1. So this is coming and this is coming. So if I check difference, it is coming 0. Next we have checked x is greater than equal to 1. X is greater than equal to 1. So x is greater than equal to 1, fx is this one. And x is greater than equal to 10, then this one fx. So if I take difference is what? 0. So this is coming 0. So we can say that f of x minus f of minus x is what? See, it will be always be 0 we can say. So this is always 0. So from here what will come? Fx equal to f of minus x. So we can say that fx is even function. So this is even. So this is even function. Always we have to remember how to subtract. So x is less than equal to minus 1. So here also we have to check x is less than equal to minus 1. So this one and this one we have to subtract. We can't subtract this one and this one. Why? Because here x is less than equal to minus 1 and here x is greater than equal to 1. So we can't subtract these two. We have to subtract according to this one only. So first we have to check intervals.